so I'm in high school now, and things are getting a bit too complicated, and we just received a chemistry assignment, and we are going to be experimenting on it and observing on how, on why does this thing happen. So let's go. Alright, so after gathering some information, basic informations, I'm too lazy. So this is going to be our experiment. Our experiment is about experiencing on the powdered milk, and we are going to see the chemical reaction, which is clotting. And why does it clot?
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is our first experiment, which is the milk powder. So the milk powder may clot due to humidity, temperature, bacteria contamination, and expired date. So this is the experiment. Our experiment will consist of a spoon of powdered milk that are placed out from the milk storage area and the other inside the ideal storage. And then our observation will last up to 7 days with consistent checkups of the powdered milk condition. So this is the question: how does temperature affects the powdered milk's condition? What chemical compounds are found inside the powdered milk? And then the third one, from the two questions above, explain from a chemical point of view how could these happen. Alright then, so let's get into it. This milk is going to be our experiment. This experiment will going to find out if the milk will going to do the phenomenon, and there will be these two milk. This is white milk, this is chocolate milk. We're going to observe the chocolate milk and this milk. I put tissue so no ants, no fly, no mosquito, or anybody touch milk. Right, so this is the first milk on the first day. This is still fresh. Powdered milk still smooth, and let me touch it. Yeah, it's still sticking in to my finger, and yeah, the texture is still fresh, like ordinary powdered milk.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so after doing research, here's what I found. The temperature on my house is around 22 degrees Celsius, but the ideal placement for the powdered milk to store it is actually 40 degrees Celsius, which is supposed to be warm. And so yeah, the temperature is a bit cold, that's why the milk starts to clot. So the powdered milk begin to clot. The texture are harsher and cold. Normally the powdered milk won't connect with each other, but now it seems like the powder milk are begin to attach. So perhaps this may happen because of the temperature and the non-lethal condition, the non-ideal condition of the outside room. Like from water to ice, the powder began to harden due to the temperature. Fifth day, and look, the milk is completely stoned. The powdered milk are literally clotted. Yeah, look at that. It see here, it's fully clotted. So it really didn't take. It really didn't have to take like 7 days, only like 5 days or so. Right, so what's the conclusion is? Powdered milk will going to clot based on the temperature. The powdered milk that are stored in the ideal temperature is around 40 degrees Celsius. It will going to keep the milk safe. However, the milk outside the storage is around 22 degrees Celsius, which is a bit cold and will make the milk clot. The clotting process actually lasts for 1 day and 12 hours. It doesn't need to be 7 days. I'm so dumb, but that's how it is. You make mistakes and you fix it. And chemistry, it's about learning. How does this thing happen? This plus this equals kaboom! And well, there is a lot of things that we can learn from chemistry. And that's all for the video, and well, goodbye. Finally the video is over. I can go sleep. I'm so lazy. Finally. Wait, what are you doing? Wait, why are you in my house? Wait!